this while I'm not in class today, hopefully. So it's just more practice, okay? So actually, this would have been a good review too. So let's get started. The Brooklyn Skyhawks won five of their first 7 games this year. There are 28 games in a season. How many games would you expect the Skyhawks to win? So there were 7 games. So think about it. There were 7 games. They won. Ganaron 5 juegos. Right? So there was a total of 7. So think about this for a second. If they won 5 games, how many did they lose? ¿Cuántos perdieron ellos? They perdieron 2 juegos, right? 5 games, right? They had a total of 7 and they lost 2. So now we want to know how many games are they going to win if they play 28 games, right? So I'm going to put a 28 here. So when there's 28, how many games are going to win? How many games can we predict them to win, right? So what's the multiplier here? Times 4, times 4, times 4. So that would be 5 times 4 is 20, and 2 times 4 is 8. So notice if when sumamos aquí, when we add 20 plus 8 is 28, right? And when we multiply here, 7 times 4 is 28. Okay, so how many games can we expect the Skyhawks to win this season? We expect them to win 20 games. Four friends paid a total of $32 for bowling. Write the ratio of 32 for 4 people written as a unit rate. So $32. 4 people, 4 personas. 4 people paid for bowling, boliche. What's the unit rate? So this one is pretty easy, right? So unit rate is 1 person, people, or 1 person. So how much is it per person? ¿Cuánto es por persona? That's easy. Divide by 4. Oh, I don't think I used this color before. Divide by 4. So what's the unit rate? So this is the unit rate. Nice color. Unit rate. And this is the rate, right? So the question was, what is the unit rate? Aquí está. $8 for 1 person. Oof. My screen is really shiny. 3. Shani can type 82 words in 4 minutes. So let's write that as a fraction. 82 words, 4 minutes. What we want to know, what do we want to know? We want to know how many can she type in 15 minutes. I'm going to put it over here a little bit. La distancia un poquito más lejos. Right? So what we can do here is find the unit rate. So let's find the unit rate. And you're going to see why we find the unit rate. So divide by 4, right? Divide by 4. Divide by 4. And 4 divided by 4 is 1. So in 1 minute, how many words, cuántas palabras escribe ella? So 82 divided by 4 is 20.5. So she can write 20.5 words por minuto. So now look how easy this is. From 1 to 15, we don't have to think about anything. It's just times 15. Y aquí arriba is times 15, right? So easy. And we get 307.5 words. Is it me or the colors are really nice today? Oh my god. Huh. At least my screen is brighter. Number 4. It's a better deal, so we want to find a unit rate. So what is it better? 5 liter for $4.70 or 3 liter for $2.79? What's the better price? So let's do that. $4.70, you get 5 liters. Y el otro aquí. Oh, let's do that first. Let's change that to unit rate. So how much is 1 litro? Divide by 5. Divide by 5. 470 divided by 5 igual a, we're going to round this. 4.7 divided by 5 equals 94 cents. Cada litro, it's 94 cents. Not bad. And then over here we have a 3 liter bottle. 3 liter. And it's $2.79, right? For 3 litros. Well, ¿cuánto está cada litro? So divide by 3, right? Divide by 3, we're going to find the unit rate. And 2.79 divided by 3 equals 93 cents. So which one is cheaper? El 3 litros es un poquito más barato porque el precio es 93 por litro. So it's a little bit cheaper to buy the 93, the 3 liter one. Okay. 5. So brownie has a recipe that has 48 brownies for 2 cups of flour. A different brownie has 60 brownies for 3 cups of flour. Are they equal to each other? Let's see if they are the same. So 48 brownies. I use 2 cups of flour. Dos vasos de harina. Let's simplify this. Right? Let's change this to the unit rate. So if you find unit rate, 2 cups of brownie divide by 2 is 1. So aquí arriba, divide by 2 is 24. So a unit rate, 24 brownies. A unit rate is 24 brownies in 1 cup. Let's see the other one. El otro es 60 brownies for 3 cups. Let's find the unit rate también. Si el unit rate is the same, es el mismo, entonces los dos son igual uno al otro. Oh, this one is divided by 3. This one is divided by 3. 60 divided by 3 is 20. Here we can make 20 brownies con un vaso de harina. Is this, esto y esto son iguales? No, they are different. So they are not equivalent. So 24 brownies con un vaso obviamente no es igual a 20 brownies con un vaso, ¿no? Son diferentes medidas esos dos. The different measurements. Okay, the ratio of bagels. Let me write bagels and donuts. So we're gonna use a tape diagram here. 1, 2, 3, 4 for the donuts we need 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, so that's what we're gonna use. So bagels, donuts. So let's draw 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then at the bottom we're gonna draw 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now remember, it says there are 27 more donuts. ¿Dónde está este 27 more donuts? Remember when we did this? Hasta acá, they're the same. They're the same. Misma cantidad, same quantity, right? If I make a wall, si hago una pared aquí, right? If I make a wall there, hasta acá tienen la misma cantidad. So obviously there's more donuts. And where's the more? Here's the more. Here's the more part. More donuts. Aquí está el more donuts. Right, the extra. Where are they? Están dentro de esas 3 cajitas. And how many more donuts? Hay 27 más. So there's 27 dentro de esas 3 cajitas, inside these 3 little boxes. So 27 divided by 3 equals 9. So this is 9, 9, 9. And what are we going to do with the other boxes? También 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Now we can find how many total. How many bagels? 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, or 9 times 4, 36. How many donuts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 9, we have 63 donuts. So this should be really easy for you guys tomorrow. On a hiking trip, Marilyn takes notes, and she hikes 12 kilometers every 5 hours. So at this rate, how many kilometers she can determine how many kilometers she can hike in 13 hours. So 12 kilometers in 5 hours, 5 horas. So we want to know in 13 horas, 13 hours, how many kilometers, right? So again, this one is one of those questions where using the unit rate is going to really help us. So let's find the unit rate. So in 1 hour, ¿cuál es la distancia que camina Marilyn? Divide by 5. Divide by 5. 12 divided by 5. 12 divided by 5. 12 divided by 5 is 2.4. 2.4. So in 1 hour, she can hike andar 2.4 kilometers. So in 13 hours, look how easy. Mira cómo es fácil. Times 13. Y aquí arriba, obviamente, times 13. So 2.4 times 13 is going to give us 31.2 kilometers. Okay. We'll move on. So Mr. Smith divides an amount of money between his 3 children, Adam, Ben, and Charlie, in the ratio of 3 to 2 to 7. Okay, so hay tres children, Adam, Ben, and Charlie. So cuando el Mr. Smith gives them money, le da dinero a los niños, this is how he does it. Can't write Charlie. This is how he gives them money. Así le da dinero. 3 for Charlie, 2 para Ben, and 3 for Adam, I'm sorry, 2 for Ben, y 7 para Charlie. Así le da dinero. No, this is not a, sorry, this is a more than problem, right? So it's easy. I think it's easier for me to show it with using a tape diagram. I'm sorry. So let's do this again. So Adam, Ben, and Charlie. So for Adam, we're going to do 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. For Ben, we're going to do how many? 2 boxes. And for Charlie, we're going to do 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So right now, ahorita, we put 1 like that, right? So 3 for Adam, 2 for Ben, and 7 for Charlie. So we'll do it again. Let me build it up. 1, 2, 3 for Adam, 2 for Ben, so I'll write their names, Adam, Ben, and how many for Charlie? We gotta do 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Y aquí Charlie. So it says Charlie recibió 120 más que Adam. So Charlie received $120 more than Adam. Entonces, if you think about it, Adam and Charlie, right? Let's compare Adam and Charlie. Adam tiene, Charlie tiene. Adam tiene, Charlie tiene dinero. Adam has money, Charlie has money. So, but from here on, de aquí adelante, from here on, from this box on, Charlie has more, tienes more. Right? Todo eso is where Charlie has more than Adam. How much more? 120 more. So 120 more está dentro, is inside these 4 boxes, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. We're going to divide that by 4. 120 divided by 4 is 30. So we're going to put 30, 30, 30, and 30. So if we put 30 there, where do we put in everybody? Everybody gets also 30. So that's the beauty of tape diagrams. Once we find one number, all the numbers are the same. So now we can find how much Ben. So how much did Adam get? 30 plus 30 plus 30. So Adam got 90. Ben got 30 plus 30, which is 60. And then Charlie got 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 30 times 7. He got $350. But the answer said, how much did Ben receive? So Ben received, here, right? The middle one is Ben, $60. Okay? A little bit challenging, but I think you could have done it. Okay, same type of question, but instead of more, it's less. Okay? So we have going to have blue, white, green. So we got 2 for blue, 4 for white, and 1 for green. Okay, so right now it's 2, 4, and 1. Okay, blue, white, and green. Blue, white, and green. 2, 4, 1. So 1, 1, 1, 1. Right. So let's do it again. Let me change colors here. Okay, get blue, white, green. Right. So we're gonna do 2, 4, and 1. But it says that there are 15 less green than white. Okay, hay 15 menos verde do que blanco, right? So que quiere decir que blanco hay 15 más. If you think it the other way, there's more white than green, right? So 15 less green than white, it means that these 3 boxes, esta caja, this box, and this box, this is the 15 more que green. Okay, es 15 menos que blanco o 15 más que verde. Uno de cualquier manera. So you can think of it as that way as well. 15 more than green. Right, so there's one, so I'll put this in this fuchsia color, I think. So 15 divided by 3 equals 5, right? 3 boxes. So we're gonna put 5s in these boxes. So that's 10, that's 20, and that's 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 times 4 is 20, and that's just 5, right? Just 1. So how many liters or how many liters of paint can you make in total? So how many in total do we have? We have 10 plus 20 plus 5, which is total is 35 total. Okay. So again, this one is a unit rate question. Candy store sells snacks by weight. A 6-ounce costs $3.60. 6 ounces. ¿Cuánto cuesta 20 ounces of candy? Okay, how much it costs? How much does 20 ounces cost? So again, let's find the unit rate, because the unit rate me va a facilitar mucho las cosas. Divide by 6, right? And here we're going to divide by 6. So 3.60 divided by 6 is 60 cents. 60 centavos. Now we can answer our question. So 1 ounce to 20 ounce is times 20. And over here, it's going to be times 20. And 60 cents times 20 is going to be exactly $12. So 20 ounces of candy me va a salir $12. Okay. So as you can tell, it gets easier and easier cuanto más practicamos. ¿No? Oops. 11. Okay. So 11 says the ratio of blue to yellow to green to purple. Oh my god, I have 5. blue, yellow, red, green, purple is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If there's 60 blue marbles, how many green marbles are there? Okay, so we need to do blue, yellow, red, green, and purple. But this one is not. We're not going to do a tape diagram. We're going to go like this. So blue, I 5. Yellow, there's 4. Red, there's 3. Green, there's 2. And purple, there's 1. Okay. So now we can even do one more here and call it total. So what's my total right now? 5 plus 4, 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 is a total is 15. So what are they saying? What happens? ¿Qué pasa when there's 60 blue? ¿Cuántos green hay? So we might as well do everything. So when there's 60 blue, ¿cuántos yellows hay? ¿Cuántos red hay? How many green? How many purple? So what are we multiplying this by? 5 por cuánto 60? 5 times what? 60 is times 12. So you notice everything is times 12, times 12, times 12, times 12, times 12. 4 times 12, 48. 3 times 12, 36. 2 times 12 is 24. 1 times 12 is 12. So the question says how many green marbles. ¿Dónde está el green? Aquí está. There are 24 green marbles. Cuando hay 60 azules, there are, so I'll just write that. When there are 60 blue, there are 24 green. Okay, and if you want to find the total, that also can be done. And we can add all those numbers, and you get the total. The total is 180 marbles, canicas. I think they're called canicas. Okay, better buy. So right away, I have to know the unit rate. So laundry detergent, para lavar la ropa, the powder, no, $7.40 for 8 pounds, 8 libras. Or I can pay $2.73 por 3 pounds, 3 libras, un poco más chiquito. Which one is better? ¿Cuál es el mejor precio? Well, so let's find cuánto cuesta 1 pound aquí, and let's find how much 1 pound is here. Okay. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. So this is divisible by 3 because it's 12. 2, 3, and 7 is 12. So 2.73 divided by 3 should be a nice pretty number. 91 cents for 1 pound. Over here we're going to divide by 8. And divide by 8. 7.4 divided by 8. Me sale. Ugh. It's gonna, on the calculator, it's going to be 0.925. So when we talk about money, we only want to use 2 decimal places, right, as far as we're concerned. So 1, 2, then the 5, we throw it away, but can the 5 round the 92 to 93? Yes, it can. So 92 becomes 93. So the price here per pound is 93 cents. So which one is a better deal? Está más barato comprar el más chiquito. Okay. We have one more. I think we have one more. Yep. 5 of the 12 members of Mr. Cho's soccer teams are girls. Find the ratio of boys to girls. So, ¿cuántos niños? So we want to, all right. 5 of the 12 members. 5 de los 12 son niñas en el equipo de fútbol. So, the total, let's say on the soccer team, there's a total of 12. Hay un total de 12. 5 son girls. 5 are girls. So what does that mean? How many boys are there? ¿Cuántos son niños? Bueno, si 5 son niñas, if 5 are girls, 7 have to be boys. Okay? So now we can answer the question. What's the ratio of boys to girls? And we can write it. There are 7 boys to 5 girls, or if you want to write it, 7 boys to 5 girls, or 7 over 5. Pero primero, we had to find, teníamos que encontrar cuántos niños tenía en la clase primeramente. Okay? So that is that, okay, for tomorrow while I'm gone, and this is due on Thursday, okay? Or Friday, I should say.